What is Fiverr? Fiverr. How it works. This is a popular website that can be helpful for freelancers. Know something about digital animation? You can work for someone who doesn't have these skills and pick up some extra cash. Even better, you can offer to compile web research for someone. Highlights: you can make good money from the site, says Dan Bochichio, a web designer and digital strategist in Albany, New York, who runs a small company called Bocain Designs. He says his firm earns $3,000 to $5,000 a month from Fiverr. To stay ahead of the competition, I make sure my Fiverr profile and gig descriptions are well written and communicate the value of the services I'm offering. When someone reaches out to me, I make sure to reply as quickly as I can and follow up with the inquiry by asking good questions. A quick but carefully written reply will increase the odds of them hiring you drastically, Bochichio says. Drawbacks: Bochichio's success aside, Fiverr's name comes from the fact that many people used to work for $5 a task. You can ask for more, but a lot of your prospective clients may expect low rates. Keep in mind, Fiverr takes a 20% commission. Time investment, possibly considerable. If you're asked to create a digital animated short, for instance, that isn't something you're going to whip up in 20 minutes. Plus, it may take 14 days for your money to reach your bank account after your work has been approved, although if you are a regular on Fiverr, you may get it in 7 days.